Okay guys, so basically this is how our website looks. So in this class we will see how to customize this website. Okay, so in order to customize, go to appearance, and under appearance click on this customize option. Okay, so first option what we have is site check layout. So let's see what happens. So basically over here it was supposed to give us some layouts which we could select, but as of now this is the plugin, this is the theme which we have selected, so it is not having any layout. But a few sites they have the layout which you can change. And next is site identity. So site identity is basically the name of your website and the this tagline and the logo of your website. Okay, so you can change all those things from this section. So let me just upload one very random logo. So let me just go to the uploaded files, and I will choose this as a logo for my website. Okay, and now I'll select this image as logo. But when it comes to logo, this is the format of the logo. Okay, your logo looks something like this, so because of which I'm getting this arrow kind of a thing, because this image is in the square format, but the logo is always in kind of a landscape format. But let me just crop this because this is just a tutorial and I'm showing you guys how that would look. So basically your logo would be appearing over here. Okay, so just design your logo properly and upload it. You can again remove it and you can change it. This is my website tagline, which this tagline which is appearing over here. Okay, so this is how you can select your logo, and just make sure that whenever you are designing your site logo, you should be having your site logo is basically your logo would appear somewhere over here. Okay, so let me just show you. If I'm just selecting this as a site logo and uploading it now. Okay, so as can be seen, this is the name of your website. Your name of your website would come over here, and your site logo would be appearing over here. Okay, so you will see somewhere you will see it somewhere over here. Let me just publish these changes, and let me just refresh. Okay, so now as can be seen, this is my site logo which appears over here, and this is the logo of my website. Okay, so whatever logo you want to show over here, you have to upload it at this place, and this is my website logo. Okay, so this is all about our website identity. Next is colors. So as can be seen, this is the black color, then we have this yellow color for our menu. If you want to change it to something like blue and all, then you can do that. Okay, so now our website looks a little bit better. I will just publish it, and this is the header text color. So whatever text my header is having, this is its color. Then this is the background color in the sense the background what you see over here. If I want to change this to something like gray and all then I can do that. Let me just publish this. Okay, so as of now it is not that visible, but let's see what we have next. So this is the header image. I actually don't know what this header image do, but this was the image what was selected by me, but it would be better if you are keeping this black. Okay, so just keep it blank only. And next we have the background image. Background image is basically, if suppose you want to have the background image for your entire website, then you can do that from this place. If I am just selecting this as the background image for my entire website, then this would look something like this. Okay, so this image has been selected for entire background. Let me just select some bigger image. Let me just select this one. Okay, so as can be seen, this image has been selected as a background for my entire website. Okay, so this will actually give you a good look, but I would like to suggest you guys don't keep this background image, but if you want you can keep this. Actually looks good, but let me just remove this because I don't want any background image for my website. Next is menus. Okay, so you can, if you want, you can create your menus, but if you want, you can even customize your menus. I have already shown you guys how to create your menus. So menu is basically this one, these options what we have. You can select them from this place. Okay, and you can customize your menu from this place over here. And next is widgets. Okay, so block sidebar. Okay, so this sidebar what we have on the right hand side, this has the options like the search, then the recent posts, the recent comments, archives, categories, meta. Okay, and all these categories are present over here. So if you want to just move this upside down, then you can just do that. Okay, and all those changes will be propagated over here. And if suppose I want to remove this meta, I will say remove. If I don't want categories, I will remove categories also. Okay, and all those changes will be getting propagated over here. I just have to say publish. It is not getting published, I don't know for what reason. Okay, and all those changes will be getting propagated over here. I think because the net connection, or I don't know for what reason, but it is not getting published. Okay, what's the issue with this? Okay, let's just go back. And next is a header widget. So basically, if you want to add something inside of your header, this is basically the header part, then you can do that. Let me just show you. Suppose I want to add the calendar, then I can add the calendar, but let me just show something that is visible. If suppose I want to add navigation bar, and I will say nav1. I just have to give the name, and I just have to say which nav bar I want to show. I will say primary, and I will say done, and I will say publish. So guys, there is one error, I don't know what is that, and because of which my changes are not getting saved. We have done some, looks like something's gone wrong. Let's just wait for a while and see what happens. Okay, so we are having network issues, so I will continue this once my network issues have been resolved, my Wi-Fi have been turned off. I will be back in a minute, just give me some time.